instant gratification and personalized experiences, AI takes this to a new level by offering the possibility of creating relationships tailored to our specific desires and needs. Imagine designing your ideal partner, someone who shares your interests, understands your quirks, and fulfills your emotional needs. AI companions can be programmed to embody specific personality traits, providing a customized relationship experience that some may find irresistible. However, this raises ethical concerns about objectification and unrealistic expectations. Can we truly have a meaningful relationship with an entity designed to fulfill our every whim? It's a question that requires careful consideration. Section 5. The Ethical Tightrope: Navigating the Complexities of AI Relationships. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of forming close relationships with machines. One concern is the potential for emotional dependency. If we become overly reliant on AI companions for emotional support, it could hinder our ability to form and maintain real-life relationships. Human connection requires vulnerability, compromise, and the willingness to navigate complex emotions, skills that may atrophy if we become accustomed to the unwavering support and predictability of AI. Furthermore, the issue of privacy takes on new dimensions with AI companions. These entities collect vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about how this information is used, stored, and potentially exploited. Section 6. The Future of Love and AI: A Call for Responsibility and Understanding. The intersection of AI and human relationships is a path fraught with unknowns. As we venture into this uncharted territory, it's imperative to proceed with caution, responsibility, and a deep understanding of the potential consequences. AI has the power to enhance our lives in countless ways, but it should not come at the expense of genuine human connection. It's crucial to establish ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI companions, ensuring they are used responsibly and do not erode our capacity for empathy, vulnerability, and authentic relationships. The future of love and AI is unwritten. It's up to us to shape this technology in a way that complements and enhances our humanity, rather than diminishes it. Let us strive for a future where technology fosters connection, understanding, and a deeper appreciation for the irreplaceable beauty of human relationships.